All right. Mr. Iyke, thank you very much, sir. It's good to have you on the show. It's been a while. Good evening to you, sir. Please talk to us.
Hey, my brother Elvis, God bless you. Thank you for what you do. Thank you for keep the light burning with,
Thank
uh,
you, sir.
with all the members of the panel that are always there. CM, uh, give us a mandate. Omoye, Sister Rita, Sister Eileen, and all the rest people that are always here present. You know, even though I'm not here present, I think I'm always with the panel. I listen what is going on, and I'm not really absent. I might be absent physically, but I'm always with the panel following. So God bless you, and bless all the people in the panel that are here every day, speaking for a better way for our country called Nigeria. So um, let me say about uh, the INEC workers and Mahmoud. The money they collected to rig the election, is it finished? I don't think it was only Mahmoud who was given the money. Were they not part of the people who collected the money for, you know, to rig the election for Badoma, you know? So why are they not coming out to tell us? What are they trying to let us to know? You know, um, they collected money, I think. So if the money shouldn't have finished by now, am I correct? The money is supposed to still be.
The
They
money
say
didn't go. The money didn't go round.
they say Mahmoud not give them the money. Now so that they talk now. They say now let you collect the money.
they, they should go to his house and hold him hostage with his family. Why are they telling us? I think that the thunder will not get control will fire all of them because like my brother said, the last speaker, Jonathan and CM said, we are not fools. Nigerians are wise now. So we know the truth. We follow the news. We know what is going on. They cannot bulldoze us into believing their nonsense. So, I mean, let thunder fire all of them. The election is not over yet. So they shouldn't be complaining for us. We still have election. The one they did in February and the one they're going to do in November. So the election is not over. So they should not be complaining to us because we are not ready and we are not interested to hear. Because the thunder that is going to fire Mahmoud is going to fire all of them. There is no exception. Because every seed you sow is what you are going to reap. The evil that men do lives with them. You are not going to run away from it. If you like, speak from now till tomorrow. We know that the consequences of your action is coming. The price you are going to pay, you are going to pay heavily. Nigeria is happening to everybody, all of them, not me, not you, like Brother Elvis was saying when he was making commentary. Most of us are living happily. I am living happily where I'm living. I have nothing. If I decide that I don't go to Nigeria till I go to the grave, I have absolutely nothing to lose and I have nothing to gain. So it's for them. So for them to say, we that are outside should light the fire. Why am I going to light the fire for you? You are very close to the pot. The pot is close to you. You put the firewood. The firewood is there. The light is there. The kerosene is there. You are waiting for somebody who is about a million miles away to light the fire for you before you can say it is enough. I mean, how is it possible? You are scrambling for 25,000 in Nigeria. Why a bag of rice is 60,000? What is 25,000 naira going to do for you and your family? A family of 2, a family of 5. And you are struggling for what did they call it? Is it non-cash transfer of 25,000 naira? Why a bag of rice is 60,000 naira? And even the transport that are going to use to go to the market to go and buy the bag of rice, how much is going to remain out of your 25,000 naira? What is your 25,000 going to do with your family? So for anybody in Nigeria, what we are doing here, we are playing our part, and we have never stopped playing our part. This platform has done more than enough for Nigerians to stand, for Nigerians to rise up and say, I am taking back my country. What way do they want us to do for them? To come and carry flag for them in Nigeria, or or to lead the march? So listen, what is going on in Nigeria? The calamity that is in Nigeria, the hunger that is in Nigeria, the deprivation that is in Nigeria, the insecurity that, you know, the collapse of every system in Nigeria. Nobody is free from the collapse of the system. But look at every day for almost 1 year, almost going to 2 years, you are here every day. Like as you used to say, you can use your platform for something else. Nigeria that you are talking about every day, you have nothing to lose or gain in Nigeria today. But you decided to abandon every other opportunities that you can use your platform to get. You decided to dedicate it for a better Nigeria. And the people that we are joining you in this platform and other platform fighting for a better Nigeria for them, they are relaxing. They are sitting in their houses and waiting for me to fly back to Nigeria, to stand at the square, to lead the march. Then they will know that, yes, the people in diaspora are doing a lot. We have given them the tools. We have given them the power. We have given them the instrument. It is for them to use it because they are the people that are in Nigeria. They are the people that do not have money for transportation. They are the people who cannot feed their family. They are the people who cannot go to school. They are the people who are not employed. They are the people who doesn't have electricity. They are the people who have no security. They are the people that are being kidnapped every day. They are not kidnapping me. Nobody is going to kidnap me here. Nobody is going to kidnap you where you are in London or in America. Nobody is kidnapping nobody. Electricity goes off here. We have a little storm this afternoon. Immediately, I saw a message on my phone right now that the light might go off, you know, for 5, 10, 15 minutes in some areas. This is a country. This is how life is supposed to be. So what else are we going to do for you? Because we love Nigeria, that every month we send money to Nigeria. So because of that money we are sending to Nigeria, you now feel that it is our responsibility for you to take your rightful place in the Committee of Nations as a Nigerian. Because you get something from your friends, you get something from your classmate, you get something from your neighbor, you get something from your family, and you feel it is okay. For how long shall you continue to depend on the money that we that are outside here are giving you to keep your families and your friends, you know, going? Where you see what these politicians are doing, destroying the country before you. Look at what Labour Party members in the National Assembly are saying. I was reading a place today why some of the members of Labour Party are saying that they're not going to listen to the chairman, that they're going to collect the money. Is it the same people who rode on the back of Mr. Peter Obi to go to the National Assembly that we think that they are the younger generations of today who could be able to stand against this criminality that has taken place in Nigeria for so many years? Like my brother Jonathan was talking about opposition. No, there is no opposition in the National Assembly. A National Assembly that is being led by Ababio. What are you going? Which opposition? They have silenced everybody from PDP to whosoever. I am shocked to hear that members of Labour Party are saying that they are going to collect this money. These are the people that we sacrifice everything. These are the people that we campaign for. These are the people we paid money, we make t-shirts, we make banners, we give transport, we tell them go and register, we tell them go and cast vote. At the end of the day, this is what we are getting from the people that we think that will be the voice that will be speaking, even though you're a minority. But we're not hearing anything from anybody. And the chairman of the party has told you people, reject this money, speak against this money, speak out about this money. And some of you are saying you are going to collect this money. You want to collect the same money. The governor of Abia State said that I'm not going to receive my salary for 4 years. He's a member of Labour Party. Is he not enough example? Is he not enough sacrifice that you people should know that this new Nigeria we're talking about is you people that are in the National Assembly? If you are speaking and nobody is listening, I'm telling you that people are listening. Nigerians will be listening to you. But rather, no, all of you are keeping quiet. When they ask you, you say, oh, no, we just came. We are trying to study the environment of the National Assembly because we are new to this place. We don't know what is going on here. For how long shall we continue to listen to that? Oh, you want to know the environment of the National Assembly, but you want to collect the money that is coming from the same environment where you say you don't know anything about. You are trying to study. You are not studying about the money. In the present day Nigeria, you want to use about 100 and something million to buy a car that you are going to ride on Nigerian road where there is no road in Nigeria. What is happening? What is happening to Nigerians? What is happening to people? What is really happening to Nigerians? That your lawmakers in the National Assembly, in the State Assembly, nobody is calling them out. Nobody is holding them when they come home to select, when they're on the brain, when they come home to their villages. You go and block his gate from entering his house. Give us account of what you are doing for us at the National Assembly. No, but you are waiting for people that are in diaspora to come and go and stand at the gate of your House member or National Assembly representative in the National Assembly. This is the country we find ourselves. Even Yoruba left YPP, why? Because whenever you join APC, your sins are forgiven. 350-something billion that has been on his neck. He joined APC. And tomorrow, these are the same people who will come and tell you that they are fighting for a better Nigeria. Oh my goodness, God. What is going on? The carryover of the NSAS was the culmination of what happened in February. The Nigerian youth came out in the month of February. It was out of the anger of NSAS. And at the end of it all, Mahmoud and his people denied the Nigerians the man, the voice that the world have accepted to lead them. And today, those people who rode on the back of this man, who were supposed to be giving us hope, who were supposed to be encouraging us that are outside, that okay, if nothing else, at least they are fighting, they are talking, they are defending the people that elected them. But no, everybody is scrambling for Nigerian currency. Everybody is scrambling for Nigerian wealth. The wealth is finished. So I don't really understand what Nigerians want. I don't know what Nigerians even want for themselves. I don't know what actually Nigerians are seeking for and who is going to go get it for them. At the end of the day, when you give them 10,000 now, they say, hey, forget these politicians. After drinking pepper soup and he's here with a bottle of beer, 10,000 vanishes. Tomorrow, you're yelling up, you're looking up where the money is going to come tomorrow. Why you have the opportunity to say enough is enough? What do you want us to do? What do you want Nigerians that are living outside to do anymore? We have done so much. Each and every one of us have sacrificed so much and still sacrificing even as we are speaking right now. But look at the people you are doing those things. Nobody is making any move. Nobody is telling you that, listen, I am going to take the bull by the horn. What is different from the killing that is going on in Israel and the Palestinians? Nigerians have not been killed enough? We have even been killed so much, more than what is happening in Israel and Palestine. What is remaining of a country called Nigeria? Do we have a country? We don't have a country. Look at the 5 judges that are going to sit at the Supreme Court. It is one-sided people. Nigeria is a country of a diverse nation, of diverse people. Does it mean that other tribes of Nigeria, other tribes in Nigeria doesn't have members who can become members of the Supreme Court? What are we talking? What are we talking about? Does it mean that these are the people who are more learned to become Chief Justice at the Supreme Court? What happened to other tribes of Nigeria? One of the judges, the son is one of the APC lawyers. The son is in the House of Assembly. Why didn't she recuse herself from this panel? I heard the other one is going to retire by the 27th of, is it October or November? Which kind of a country are we living? Somebody that is already to be retired, that in a country where there is law and order for more than 1 year, he's not supposed to be doing anything anymore. He should be rounding up at his table of leaving the office. But he's going to be part of the people that are going to judge this case from Monday. What kind of a country are we living in? Nobody is saying anything. My brother, listen. What is going on in this country called Nigeria? I can't understand. I can't even understand that. Because I was looking at the names of these judges and I was asking myself, what is actually wrong with this country? We only talk about one Nigeria when it comes to the oil of Nigeria. But when it comes to political power, one said they can hold it. And the other people will go. The other people will go home. They don't want to be. They don't want to lead Nigeria. But when it comes to the oil, oh, we are one Nigeria. This man has decided, the illegitimate president, the man that has no credibility, the man that was not elected by Nigerians, the man who stole the mandate of the people, the man who criminally took over Nigeria with his clique of men and women, had decided to turn the government of Nigeria into a family empire. Where the people that followed him when he was governor and senator, they are the people now that are controlling the affairs of Nigeria. It was in this platform when they opened the Aso Rock Clinic. I said, when you go there, all those things, all those equipment that they displayed on that day, it was open. They borrowed it, they hired it. Tomorrow, when you go there, you're not going to see anything in that hospital. Today, you cannot find Panadol in that hospital. The vice president, one of the wives delivered, he went to America to deliver a child. And you have billions of naira spent in Aso Rock Hospital. And nobody is saying anything. I don't know what these judges are going to say. I don't even know what they're going to do, because the composition of the people who are going to sit on this seat, they don't even merit to sit there. This woman, at least, she should have said, listen, I am not going to be part of this. So are you telling me that this is a script that is already written, that we're wasting our time? Nigerians, let me tell you, Nigerians, if you are waiting for Supreme Court before you can be able to do something, that means you are not ready. You are not even prepared. You don't even know what you want. Because like Brother Elvis used to say here, none of us here, I'm not ready to go to Nigeria tomorrow. Even though Brother Elvis used to go, I'm not really even ready to go to Nigeria tomorrow. You know, because I don't have anything that will make me to go to Nigeria. You know, my parents are late. My brother and my two of my brothers are married with kids. I don't have anything. I don't have anything in Nigeria to say that I'm going to go to Nigeria to take risks to go to Nigeria, because we don't have a country. So if you are not ready to take your country, if you allow this man, if Nigeria should allow what happened in February 23 to stand, this man will stay there for 8 years. But God forbid that it will ever happen. Because I know there is going to be a shift. I don't know how it's going to happen, but I know there is going to be a shift. And something must happen in Nigeria. Something must kill a man. You know, because if he doesn't kill a man, there is no how you can go to heaven if you don't die. If everybody is crying to go to heaven, but nobody wants to die, then my question to Nigerians, how do you go to heaven? If you don't die, Have you seen the person who went to heaven and come back and tell you how the heaven is? You must die before you go to heaven or before you go to hell. Right now, Nigerians are in hell. Tell me one Nigerian that is not in hell today. Yet, you are waiting for Brother Elvis to come to Nigeria to lead demonstration. Yet, you are waiting for CM to come to Nigeria to lead demonstration. Yet, you are waiting for Give Us a Mandate to come to Nigeria to lead demonstration. Yet, you are waiting for Jonathan. Yet, you are waiting for everybody that have been in this panel and the other panel around the world, trying to speak, trying to motivate Nigerians to take over their country. That is the only time you think that, yes, we have done enough. My brothers and sisters, we have done enough. We have done enough. If Nigerians decide that they are not going to stand up and say enough is enough, if they not begin to pursue these politicians, begin to throw their clothes on the public, begin to naked them in the street, and begin to pour them sand in the street, I don't know what else do they want us to do. We cannot wait for America. We cannot wait for Britain. Britain is part of the people that put us in this situation. Them and America. We are talking about FBI file. Now, the Bado man is trying to tell you no, that they shouldn't release it. If you know that there is nothing in that file, why are you fighting for that file not to be released? Goodness God. Brother Elvis, thank you. Thank you for what you do. Thank you for your sacrifice. Thank you for, for helping people like us to really get involved in Nigerian affairs, and, if people like you and the platform that engineered people like me to really get involved in Nigerian politics this time around, that I'm still getting involved into it. Because as we are crying about Nigeria, the same thing is happening in Imo State, my state, where I come from. You see what is going on now? INEC yesterday could not stand publicly to declare that Senator Atana Chonu is the Labour Party governorship candidate in Imo State. Why? Because APC are trying to tell the world that there is crisis in Labour Party. There is no crisis, because the man who they want to use as the man who is the real candidate has called a press conference, and he has said as long as the case has finished at the Supreme Court, he is now with Atana Chonu, and they are going to work together to make sure that Hope Uzodinma doesn't come back. But still, INEC do not want to stand and say categorically that it is Atana Chonu is the governorship candidate of Labour Party, because they know with that situation, they want to create a situation whereby people in Imo State will be confused. What are they going to do? Who is the candidate? But Peter B was in my senatorial zone, and he have told them, stand with Atana Chonu. So, my brother, I want to thank you for all you do. You have given us hope. You are giving us the strength and the power to, speak out and to share our mind. Everything we share is because we have lineage in Nigeria. We have families, we have friends, we have schoolmates, we have people that we did business together wherever we might have lived in Nigeria. Some of you who went to university, you did your NYSC somewhere, you met people, you met new friends. Those are the things that is attracting all of us to speak about, to cry for Nigeria. If not, I've been celebrating my marriage anniversary, but here am I crying for a country that I know that have not given me anything. Rather, everything that I've given them, throw it inside the gutters.
Thank you, Mr. Iyke. Thank you very much. May God bless you for your submission. I appreciate you, sir.